You have heard of transplants in medicine. A kidney transplant, a heart transplant. And you've often read, too, that the transplant was not effective, or the heart transplant was not effective. Why? Because the body resisted it. There are antibodies in our organism that will not assimilate and take hold of a new organism. Now, our soul is that way. It has antibodies. And when any sin gets into the soul, then we're disturbed. Mind is unhappy. It's very much like having a broken bone. The bone hurts. Why? Because the bone is not where it ought to be. And when our conscience is not where it ought to be, then we suffer. The Lord's mercy is unlimited. But we just have to have trust in Him. So I will leave you this consoling thought. If you had never sinned, you never could call Jesus Savior.